Today's video is about how to link your Exchange account to your TurboTax account. First, quick intro. Welcome to Pro Trade Series with your host, me, Peter Lykke, featured on these publications, aka XVG Whale, aka Pajama Boy, and here to bring you another video. And first, I'd like to remind you, if you comment on my videos, subscribe, hit that notification bell, like the video, you are entered to win free crypto. Even better if you leave your XVG Verge currency address or your Bitcoin address. And yeah, this is brought to you by ProTrade.tools. Juice your trades with coins of the day, as well as Arbitrage.software. Easy way to link your accounts to make easy, quick arbitrage trades. Great for making profit in volatility. Now let's get the video started. To file crypto taxes. Yes, crypto is taxed now. Has been for quite some time. There's been some changes to how crypto trading is taxed. Fortunately, there is a way to automate your tax reports. Just click the view more thing for the video description, the arrow, whatever, on your device. The first link there is the website that works with TurboTax and pretty much every exchange. Every major exchange. You can see a full list of the exchanges. There's about 50 of them on there. And you link it up with TurboTax and it fills out the forms for you. You can get out your abacus and calculate it all yourself. You might be done by April, or you can use this. You can sign up for free and get your taxes ready. There is taxes on crypto gains, and even if you've had crypto losses, you still want to get on here to make sure you're reporting it correctly, because ain't nobody got time for all that mathematics and whatnot and keeping up with the laws. And if you don't report it, the tax man will get you. They will find you and they will get you, and it's better to be early and report than be late and not report and be sorry, because it'll come back to bite you years later. Believe me. Participate in my ongoing comment contest on my channel with the notification gang. I say notification instead of notification. You just hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and leave comments on the videos on this channel, and you'll be entered to win crypto. And if you leave your XVG address, even better, check out the iOS app. It's beautiful. And you can leave your Bitcoin address or your whatever token or altcoin wallet you prefer. Feel free to show your altcoins on the comments of this video. And yeah, I'll be sharing the wealth after we ring in the new year. I'm going to be uploading videos all year and uploading videos announcing when the giveaways go on. But anyway, this video is about crypto taxes, and the link in the video description will calculate your crypto taxes for you. It takes the thinking out of it. That is what I like. And if you want to take the thinking out of crypto trading, you can get the coins of the day with target price, entry price, and stop loss adjustion calculated using 120 algorithms to predict highest probability on your trades. That's a totally different thing over at ProTrade.tools. That one's membership only. Another thing you can do to link to use multiple different crypto exchanges at the same time for arbitrage trading is you can sign up over on Arbitrage.software. And if you don't already have a crypto debit card of some sorts, there's one where not only can you spend through Visa while holding a crypto portfolio, you can also hold a stock commodity like gold and Forex even portfolio and spend with a Visa card details about that in the video description. Crypto, stock, Forex, and commodity exchange all built into one. If you're serious about day trading, I suggest you look into that. Perfect combo with the ProTrade.tools trade juice platform. Honestly, let them do the thinking for you. So much easier. Although, if you are tech savvy, there's some free trade bot links in the video description. But anyway, you're here to learn about how to do your taxes. So do that. Get that done. Get that done. Free to sign up. File your taxes. Get it done. Come on now. Thanks for watching. File your taxes. Get it done. Link in the video description. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Come on. Follow me on Twitter at DomainsVVS.